Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back once again to this channel. Today I want to teach you one secret drink that will burn that fat in your stomach area, in your kitchen. Just simple ingredients, okay? You have this in your kitchen: garlic, ginger, and the rest of them. You slice your ginger this way, guys. This is going to burn that fat away, just in those your belly fat area and your body all through. It's going to burn the fat. Ginger burns a lot of fat and you have it in your kitchen. Garlic burns a lot of fat, detox your body. You have it in your kitchen. You just put them in the pot. After putting them in the pot this way, the next thing we are going to be doing, the powerful secret to burn fat, is clove. Oh my god, clove, you have to add it to your regimen because it's very good for detox. It will burn that fat away. Another secret is turmeric. Turmeric is a belly it burns weight like magic. It's a burner. Turmeric. The next part is tea. You can use any tea of your choice. You can use green tea, you can use mint leaf tea, you can use any tea, okay? So I bought this tea in Lidl supermarket, okay? So you add water to it. Water is life. You add water to it. After adding water to it, you take it to your gas straight. Guys, this is very it's a belly burner. Is a belly burner. You take this, you are going to thank me later. I'm telling you, if you're a breastfeeding mom, just ask your doctor before you take it. If you are pregnant, this drink is not for you. If you have high blood pressure, this drink is not for you. But if you are having high sugar level, this drink is going to bring it down. But consult your doctor before you take it. Disclaimer, okay? So after boiling for 20 minutes, I bring it down. Sip it this way. Oh my word, this is a miracle in a bottle. Just to cook it in your kitchen. You don't have any other thing to do. You just sip everything this way. You see? After sipping it this way, I will still use it once, okay? Add water to it and just cover it. This is it. This is the magic in a bottle. So you add your lemon to it. If you don't want lemon, you can skip this. And there is one fat burning drink that you have to add to it after the lemon, which is vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Oh my god, is that belly strong? This will lose it. It will lose it. You add one apple cider vinegar. You can decide to add two. It's not bad. Guys, drink this first thing before your breakfast in the morning. You are going to see the weight going. You don't need any other magic drink. You are going to see the weight going. I have started my weight loss journey. I'm going to be taking you along, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, press the notification bell. Let's burn the fat together in my kitchen. You are welcome. Thank you for sharing. Share.